The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey everyone, Paul Akers. So I'm at the family homestead of my wife. She was born and raised here, and we bought the house from the parents in the estate. They died a couple years back, and we're taking care of it now. I built a new shop over there, which is beautiful, with an incredible view of the water here. And I got the landscaping whipped into shape. I remodeled the entire house. Now the last step for the finishing touch is to install a 450X Husqvarna auto lawnmower. Now I've already installed over 9 of these things on my properties, mowing over 13 acres, and Brady has just sewn in all the guide wires and done a great job on that. And it's very interesting. It's just basically a sewing machine that goes around and stitches a line around the perimeter, and then we have a guide line coming back taken to the home. So let's go check out Brady. He's putting the lawnmower in right now, and we're going to see how it works. I'm very excited about this because now I get to come here and enjoy this amazing view instead of mow the lawn. And I weed whack and do the planters and make that look nice. But I love these auto lawnmowers because, number one, the grass always looks flat, always looks mowed. Number two, there's no track marks from a wet day. In the Pacific Northwest, it's a real problem. We can track out a lawn really easily. And number three, and my most important thing of all, it scares the moles away. So we have a lot of moles here, and the moles don't like the constant vibration because these things are running all the time. And as a result, the moles don't dig in the yard. So I love it at my house because I was spending a fortune just getting rid of moles, and now I don't have to get rid of them. And there's a plane taking off over the airport. And the only thing we're missing now is a train to come by because it's around the railroad tracks. But check out that view. Isn't that incredible? Okay, so the lawn's still coming in. It's not perfect yet. We reseeded everything, and Brady's getting this all dialed in, hooking up the wires, the guide wires. There's the base. There's our lawnmower, and it's going to take over, and it's going to mow a lot of stuff. So you can see it's going to mow all this area over here by the shop, and it's going to mow all this area up here. It's going to mow all that area over there, but then it's going to mow all this area over here. So the cool thing about all this is where my son and daughter grew up coming to grandma's house. This is grandma's house, and they built this sandbox, and this is where my son played. And so I take really good care of this. A lot of good memories here, the kids all playing. Wouldn't you like to have a view like that playing in a sandbox? Is that breathtaking? So in addition to everything else, we're gonna mow all this right here. So we're mowing a lot of yard. I just cut the lawn with the lawnmower because I like to give the lawnmower a fresh cut. And then once it gets going, it'll always look perfect and all the marks will disappear. And we will have one beautiful lawn overlooking one beautiful view. And look at the kite surfers are out there. This is world-class kite surfing too. So another auto mower install in Bellingham, Washington. And what about that wood shop? Is that the coolest shop in the world? Well, look at those view I have. I have a crazy view of the water as I'm working. And what's important is this has been installed by Carl's Mower in Ferndale, Washington. They've just installed so many different units for me, and they come out and do a great job. They definitely know what they're doing. So there you go, another Husqvarna 450X lawnmower install. I'm putting these things everywhere. I love them.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and Lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.